Even today let us continue the topic adding and subtracting decimals. First question is match each green question card with its correct pink answer card. Okay. 1 minus 036, 1 minus 078, 1 minus 044, 1 minus 0284 and 1 minus 0.432 are written in the green card. We have to match this with the given pink card. So first do the subtraction, that is 1 1 minus 0.36. Okay, make 1 as a like decimal because in the second number there are 2 digits in the decimal part. So write 1 as 1.00 minus 0.36. Okay, 1 minus 1.00 minus 0.36. Children, we can't subtract 6 from 0. So, borrow from here. This 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 10 and this 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Okay. When we borrow 1 from this 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. Again this 0 is borrowing 1 from here. So this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. Put the decimal. So we can match this green card to this pink card. 0.64. Okay. Let us do one more question. 1 minus 0.432. We can write 1 as 1.000 because the second number has 3 digits in the decimal part. 0.432. This step is very important, children. Make the decimal number as like decimals. Okay. 1.000 minus 0.432. Start from here. This 1 becomes 0. This 0 becomes 10. And again this 0 becomes 10. This 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Okay, we are borrowing from this 1. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. Put the decimal. 0 minus 0, 0. So answer is 0.568. So we can match 1 minus 0.432, 0.568. Okay. Now our next question is work out 10 minus 6.42, 20 minus 12.83, 30 minus 4.55, 40 minus 16.782. 10 minus 6.42. Make 10 as a like decimal. 10.00 because our second number has 2 digits in the decimal part. Minus 6.42. 10.00 minus 6.42 start from here. This 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. Again borrow 1. This 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Okay. This 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Here we can't subtract 2 from 0. So start borrowing from this one. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. Then here the digit is 0. Okay, so our answer is 3.58. Let us do one more question. 40 minus 16.782. Write 40 as 40.000 because the second number has 3 digits in the decimal part. Okay, minus 16.782. 40.000 minus 16.782. Here we can't subtract 2 from 0. So start from here. Borrow 1 from this 4. 4 becomes 3. 0 becomes 10. Again this 0 becomes 10 and 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. This 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9. Okay. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Decimal. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So our answer is 23.218. Okay. Next question is, use a written method to work out the following. Here we are subtracting a positive number and a negative number. So 4.76 minus negative 12.52. You already learned about subtraction of two integers. Apply the rule for the subtraction of integers, that is, write 4.76 first, then this subtraction symbol becomes addition and change the sign of the second number. Which is the second number here? 12.52. Its sign is negative, so it becomes positive 12.52. Okay, so write the first number first and change the subtraction sign as addition, then take the opposite sign of the second number. Here the second number is negative 12.52, it becomes positive 12.52. Subtracting a negative number is same as adding a number, adding a positive number. Now we can add these numbers. 4.76 plus 12.52. Add this number. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 5, 12, 2. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And write this one. Put the decimal here. So our answer is 17.28. Okay. Children, here we are subtracting a positive and a negative number. So change the sign of subtraction as addition and take the opposite of the second number. Opposite of negative 12.52 is positive 12.52. Okay. Now our next question is 5.43 minus 9.57. Children, here we are subtracting two positive numbers. We are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number. Okay. So write this as 5.43 plus negative 9.57. Apply the rule for subtraction, that is, this subtraction sign becomes addition and this positive 9.57 becomes negative 9.57. Here we are adding a positive decimal and a negative decimal. So find the difference first, that is 9.57 minus 5.43. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 4.14. And put the larger number sign. Which is the larger number here? 9.57. Its sign is negative. So our answer is negative 4.14. Okay. Children, here we are subtracting two positive decimals. So apply the rule for subtraction. This subtraction sign becomes addition and take the opposite sign of this positive 9.57, which is negative 9.57. Now one positive decimal and negative decimal. Subtract the smaller one from the larger one and put the larger number sign. Okay. Next is 6.582 minus 4.5 plus 5.061. 6.582 minus 4.5 plus 5.061. Children, this bracket shows it has to be done first. Okay, BODMAS rule, brackets first. So first add these two numbers, that is 4.5 plus 5.061. We can change 4.5 as 4.500 plus 5.061. Now add these numbers, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 6, 6, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 5, 9. So we can write 6.582 and the sum of 4.5 and 5.061, that is 9.561. Okay. Now apply the rules for subtraction. 6.582. The subtraction sign becomes addition and this positive 9.561 is negative 9.561. Now we are adding a positive number and a negative number. So first subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Which is the smaller one? 6.582. So subtract it from 9.561. Here we can't subtract 2 from 1. So borrow from here. This 6 becomes 5 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Okay. Then next is 5 minus 8. But we can't. So take 1 from here. So 5 becomes 4 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now 4 minus 5, that we can't do. So borrow from here. This 9 becomes 8 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 8 minus 6, 2. So our answer is 2.979. That is the difference between 9.561 and 6.582. Now put the larger number sign. It is a larger number, 9.561. So our answer is negative 2.979. Okay. Next question is negative 5.43 minus 9.57. So this becomes negative 5.43. Change subtraction as addition and take the opposite sign of positive 9.57. It becomes negative 9.57. Children, here we are adding two negative decimals. So when we are adding two negative numbers, add the numbers and put negative sign. 5.43 plus 9.57. 3 plus 7, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, again 1 carry over, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 50. So our answer is negative 15.00, which can be written as negative 15. Okay, because after this decimal, these zeros are valueless. Next question is negative 5.43 minus negative 9.57. Okay, so negative 5.43. the subtraction becomes addition and take the opposite of negative 9.57, that is positive 9.57. Here we are adding two numbers with different signs, negative 5.43 and positive 9.57. So find the difference between numbers, that is subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here 9.57 is larger and 5.43 is the smaller one. Subtract the number. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. And put the larger number sign. Here our answer is positive 4.14, as the larger number has positive sign. Okay. The 9.57 the sign is positive ആണ്. നമ്മുടെ answer positive 14. Let me show you one more example. Negative 8.12 minus negative 15.4. Apply the rules for subtraction. This step is very important, children. Negative 8.12 plus positive 15.4. Okay. The subtraction symbol becomes addition and the opposite of negative 15.4 is positive 15.4. Now we are adding a negative number and a positive number. So find the difference, that is 15.4 minus 8.12. We can put a 0 here to make 15.4 as a like decimal. Now do the subtraction. We can't subtract 2 from 0. So borrow from here. This 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. Then put the decimal. 5 minus 8. We can't do. So borrow from here. This 1 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 50. 15 minus 8, 7. So our answer is positive 7.28, because the larger number has positive sign. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this, please send me a message. Children, watch the video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Thank you, children.